Good day everyone, good day my followers, and good day my viewers. I am teacher Patrick, so today I'll be taking you physics, and today's topic is sound wave. And take note, this is a unit post TME pass question, so I'm going to be breaking it down step by step. Sit down, relax, and watch. This is the question. A man standing 300 meters away from a wall sounds a whistle. The echo from the wall reaches him 1.8 seconds later. Calculate the velocity of sound in air. So this is a sound question, and under the sound question is an echo question also. So anytime you see such question, now I want to talk about echo. Echo is more like this is a person that is standing and he's talking. This is a wall. Now he say a man standing 300 meters away from a wall. So this is the man distance. 300 meters. Okay? From a wall. Sound. So the man is using a whistle. He blows the whistle. So if he blows the whistle, he goes and return back again to the man. Take care of it. Look at the arrow. Okay? So he goes, hits the wall, and reflects back to the man. Take note of the distance. 300. Okay? So once he blows the whistle, from here to that place is under 300. It comes back to him again with the same what? 300. So making it to be the velocity of sound, which is V, is equal to 2 times the distance over time. Okay? So if you look at it, 2 times the distance there is given as what? 300. And what is the time? The time is given as 1.8 seconds. Okay? So we're having V is equal to 2 times the distance giving us 300 over time 1.8. So we're having 600 divided by 1.8. So if you get your calculator ready, we're going to have 600 divided by 1.8. We're going to have 3.33 meter per seconds. And this is how you solve question involving sound wave with a subtopic echo. So this is how. Take note of the formula. 2D over T is anytime you are solving an echo question. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for listening. Please like, share, and comment. If you know you are interested in my online class, as this video come across you, please give me a DM. I'm very, very available. See you next time again. Bye bye.